Here we go. No guts, no glory. Roger, you ready?
You sure about this?
Trust me, it's gonna be fine.
All right.
I hope it's gonna be fine. We'll find out. All right, go! Hey everyone, thanks for joining me again. Today we're gonna try something different. Today we're gonna run over a steel toe boot with a semi-truck. Now, obviously, we're not gonna run it over with my foot inside it. Anyone with a brain knows that would be stupid. And my doctor told me that I have at least 3/4 of a brain. So for all those in high school who said that I only had half a brain, ha! I win. Okay, so here we are outside. I want to show everyone what exactly I was going to do. This is the type of steel toe boot I'm going to be running over. Now this is just your standard run-of-the-mill steel toe. It's not some really expensive one, but it does have a steel toe insert. So this is an old pair of mine that I had. Now obviously if I run this over, we're probably not going to get to see what it really looks like on the inside, which is what I want to see, is what the effects are going to be of the steel toe itself. So I went ahead and removed it, and this is what the inside of a steel toe boot looks like. This is, obviously it covers the toes, and it's made of metal. So I'm thinking this is probably gonna collapse under the weight of the semi-truck. But I don't know for sure, so we're gonna have to just run it over and find out. So let's get right to the point. Wow. Look at that. Did not collapse. Wow. I thought for sure that this thing would be a pancake. I'm impressed. So there you have it. Steel toe boot versus semi-truck, and steel toe wins, or at least it doesn't lose. So again, wasn't what I was expecting, but it was just an experiment. So thank you all for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and have a good day. Bye.